I go here. As I'm doing this, the second stab's already coming in, and I'm already moving here. And then that face stab's already coming in, and I'm already cutting here to here, and then the other face stab is already coming into here.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
So remember, we're going to feed angle 1, 1, and then 2, 2. So go right, left. She's going to do the basic guillotine. She cuts in guillotines, comes back, cuts guillotine, cut guillotine, and then cut guillotine. And we're just going to keep going like that. So just angle 1, she cuts, angle 1, angle 2, angle 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay? Close it, open it, close it, open. She stabs at me, and I pass and I connect off that. Before I have a chance to get that cut, then I'm disconnected. So the second I go pass and connect, the other stab comes in and passes and it connects. So you see how when this hand's being passed over, the thrust comes out from underneath it. When the thrust comes out from underneath, look where my knife is. It's already in to pick it up. So we come close. Turn this a bit. So she stabs, this pass and connect, and then she stabs underneath it quick. My blade's already there. And so I just pass it and pick up here. The first stab comes in, and I go here. As I'm doing this, the second stab's already coming in, and I'm already moving here. And then that face stab's already coming in, and I'm already cutting here to here, and then the other face stab is already coming into here. Next, she goes to a high 1, then I can go back into here. And then whatever she feeds them back into here. Whatever she feeds it, pass and connect here. Whenever she goes to the head, pass, wolves, and connect here. So whatever she feeds, guillotine, guillotine. Whatever she pulls out, guillotine, guillotine. She wants to feed something, pass, connect. She goes up to the head, all of a sudden, pass, white, and come over. So whatever she feeds, pass, connect. Whatever she feeds, pass, here, connect.